Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how are you doing today? Happy Thursday, beautiful day in Southern California, but most of them are. Anyways, what we have here is a vintage die cut poster, if you will, three-dimensional poster of a man and woman smoking some kind of cigarette or whatever. This was probably used in some type of cigarette advertising back in the day. So if you were into vintage advertising or have a unique application for something like this, it might be for you. Very cool. Different piece.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.